Just to see that it.
Ooh, an update is available. Should I update?
Later, yeah.
All right, guys. Hold the scopies.
Yeah.
How nasty is the suck?
Oh, not that. No, we're good.
No, I don't want that. I want that. There we
Okay.
go. All right. We'll be taking the Pacific today. Testing out openpilot 0.4.3.2. To be released tonight. To develop. Oh, look at that nice. Oh, you really tied up that cable nice. I was going to say a little frayed, though. That's a little gross. All right, cool. Oh, my God, it's hot. Okay.
Yeah, we're about to see the first Eon summer.
Yeah. Oh, that bad.
Intelligence? I don't know.
We tested this?
Oh, I added that.
Oh, my God,
we
there's
never.
a car behind
No
me.
no regressions.
No regressions, that's right. All right, so we are on our way to Colma, Cadillac. I just called them up. Oh, why is that line? There shouldn't be a line like that.
Yeah, there's some, triangles. I think the path is maybe being clipped in an odd way.
It's being clipped because of the thing, but I think we got to do better than that.
We're gonna do better than that.
Do better than that,
Yeah.
Well, I want to release this tonight. At least to develop.
Okay, we'll smooth that out.
Cool. So yeah, guys, no, we're on our way to Cadillac. I called them up. I was like, yo, you got any Super Cruise I could test drive? And they were like, we have one. I'm like, okay, I'll be there in an hour. And they're like, that'll be great. So, look at me. Do I look like someone who would buy a Cadillac? Should we go back and get changed?
No, talk about how Cadillacs have been in your family for 200 years.
Okay.
Grandpa's Cadillac.
Grandpa had a Cadillac. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. He swears by them. All right. Oh, look, ooh, it lit up. Ooh, it lit up. Ooh. And that's the MPC tree. Oh, that is nice.
It's the new 7-Up line.
7-Up line. Make 7. Up yours.
Oh man.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Where's the Cadillac dealership? How far do we have to go?
Not that far. It's like
Cool.
15 minutes.
Nice. Like Daly City.
Yeah, same
Cool.
sort of area. It's in Colma, which is next to
Oh,
Sarah.
Colma, where there are more dead than living
Yes.
due to the graveyards.
Oh, I like this new openpilot. Look at this beautiful interface. I gotta fix the clipping, but
I think we'll just smooth that out.
Is this gonna be a Super Cruise versus openpilot scope? So, we're going to the dealership. How odd is it if we ask to Periscope our test drive?
I don't think it's that odd.
Okay.
Today, everyone knows that if they can use the internet as a marketing vehicle. So I think this dealership would be very happy to have their products, shown on the internet. So
Cool.
if we just say we're vlogging,
We'll make sure we lock down the test drive. We're vloggers. We talk about cars.
Yeah, we're car vloggers.
I'm just a vlogger, bro.
Yeah, there's no competition here. There's no nothing bad.
We're just talking about whether we like Super Cruise or not.
Yeah, certainly.
And we really might buy the car. I really might buy one.
Yeah.
I'm not just saying that, Scobies. Do you believe me?
Yeah, I believe you. Hey, we can buy this car.
Yeah.
How popular is the CTS?
Honestly, are there more Super Cruise users or openpilot users? It's close. That's seriously. I think they've sold hundreds.
No way.
Yeah. Oh, there really might be more openpilot users than Super Cruise.
Oh, I guess. There's this dealership in a major city has only got one.
Yeah.
So
there really might be. Yeah. No, they sell. No, it's even worse than that. I think they sell I think they sold 300 of that car last year, and then how many of those have the option package? I literally think there's more cars on the road with openpilot than Super Cruise.
This is true. Hey, just wait until all these Hondas and Toyotas are outfitted.
I know. No, we're gonna be jammed by the end.
The Bay Bridge is going to be littered with Eons.
Yeah.
Eon convoy, local Eon club. Start your local Eon club. Get your commuter convoy for a hyper efficient commute.
Oh, I love that our steering wheel turns below.
Oh yeah, the Civic is an incredible drive around
Civic.
town even.
Yeah. The Civic's the best
Okay, let's answer some questions. Is
All right.
4G everywhere in the Bay? Pretty much. There's a T-Mobile dead zone on the Bay Bridge, so my music always cuts out on my commute. But other than that, yeah, 4G coverage is very good in the Bay Area.
Spotify should be better about caching like 2 songs forward. I don't know why they don't do that.
Yeah. At least have an option, use more of my data. I have unlimited.
Yeah, I have unlimited data. Please cache more things.
Vanilla Gorilla. Is this the new model?
Can we get climate or no?
No, this is the.
Oh my god, that was so difficult.
This is the old model.
Yeah, with HDR, guys.
But it performs much better in difficult lighting conditions due to the new HDR.
Yeah, I think the thing people were blaming on HDR was actually the blame on the autofocus. And it seems like it only affects a certain percentage of eons.
Are we using the pedal in this car? No. This is the Civic, so it has built-in stop and go. So no need for the pedal.
But yeah, no, I think what a lot of people complained about had a lot more to do with autofocus, and it only affected a small percent. I haven't seen. You said there's a little bit worse with HDR sometimes.
I agree with you. I don't think it's any worse with HDR. I think it's only the autofocus was the main source of, uncertainty on the lanes.
Fixing coming tonight, guys.
Yep. openpilot release to Devel.
We're never doing any more to release. People just complain.
openpilot is forever Devel.
Openpilot is forever Devel.
It'll be in beta for 8 years.
That's right.
Like Gmail.
Like Gmail, yeah.
Except there's no invites for openpilot, It's just the barrier to entry is can you install this? Can you mount an Eon? Can you plug in the Panda and the Giraffe to your Honda or Toyota?
We should upgrade our gray Panda to the new.
Oh yeah, we've got
that one looks pretty janky.
Janky antenna.
Yeah, the cross is totally visible. You don't need the distance to the car. Like I felt confident looking at that cross that it had the car in front of me.
Yeah, certainly.
Yeah. The system, I think Ricardo said he made some fix to the MPC as well for the lanes. This feels great.
Yeah, he did. He improved the one lane visible capability.
We've been coming up with some theories as we've been working on new models and like new messurizers that it just works way better in the Civic than other cars because the Civic has a different when you're going around a turn in a car. It doesn't turn around the Eon. It turns around some point at the back of that car, and that point is speed and car dependent. Mm-hmm. So we have to make sure we can canonicalize our models for that. Which, if everyone's driving around, this model was all trained off Civic data.
Right.
So
we do have a lot of cars. We're understanding them more and more all the time. Are we building HD maps yet? Yes.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. Not quite releasing them because it takes a lot of work to build, and we're being really strict with ourselves. But by the end of the year, you will see HD maps from Comma out in the open. You have wheelbase and such data ahead. Yeah, we can certainly get wheelbase data.
You can just Google that.
Yeah, that's all public. When are we planning on releasing them? By the end of the year.
The maps.
The maps.
Or the wheelbase. The wheelbase is already in
the
the
maps.
Yeah,
The maps.
Yeah, by the end of the year.
Why is FlexRay harder than CAN?
Because Pandas don't support FlexRay. They only support CAN. I'm assuming that this GM dealership is the same thing as the Cadillac dealership. Let's try to use the Honda navigation system to navigate us to the Cadillac dealership.
Wow. First. Not
Okay,
bad.
Search. Enter search. Cadillac. What are the odds this is going to work? Oh, Stewart Cadillac. Okay, let's navigate.
Sorry about the video quality, guys. This is T-Mobile's network.
AT&T's network.
AT&T's network? All right.
Wait, why am I arriving in kilometers? Why am I arriving in kilometers?
This is a metric Civic.
It's a metric. Can I tell it not to be a metric Civic? Oh, settings.
Units.
Why would anybody want that?
Can I choose parsecs?
Yeah, that's right. Oh, good. Ooh, now, miles. Oh, okay. Now I know when we're going to get there. All right, we're good. I tell them all that openpilot's never going to work in left driving cars.
Not going to work on left driving cars.
Nope.
Too bad.
Yeah, we got that little clip of that triangle at the end.
Yeah, that's not the pretty part.
All right, let's see what happens here. Oh. The alert covers
Covers a path.
the path. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that.
Do you want to hide the path or
No.
the path's important?
No, the alert just covers it, is all I'm saying.
Oh.
Like, yeah. I don't know. I have to think about that.
Well, guys, this is the existing model.
This is not the new
This is not the new model.
Guys, you do understand the new model was actually not a vision model, right? Some people got it. That's impossible to do with vision. I'm looking like well beyond where the car could reasonably see with that model. I mean, it is a model though. It's a map. But it looked cool on Twitter, didn't it?
Yeah, in the future, the model and the map will be
The same.
working together,
Yeah.
at least.
Well, guys, actually, yeah, let's talk about how Super Cruise works. So Super Cruise is pretty much all a map. There's no real model in Super Cruise except to avoid dynamic stuff. It has 5 radars, 4 on the corners, and then 1 forward-facing radar. And they're all connected on flex right. It has a forward-facing camera, which I think what it does with the forward-facing camera is detects the lane lines, and then it uses dead reckoning and a map to kind of merge that all together. I think if there are map bugs, it just disengages. Like if the camera and the map don't agree beyond a certain amount. We shouldn't show that if we know it's going to make the turn.
I think what we should do is currently it has a fixed the steer control alert has a fixed time, and so we don't just turn it off when we know you're in the clear. So we can just be more aggressive about.
We want to be careful about flickering though. We don't want to flicker.
We don't want to flicker. This is true.
Yeah.
George, is it time to do haircut?
What, me?
Yeah.
It's time for me to get.
Yeah.
Maybe. Do I look like I will buy a Cadillac? No, I don't think I do. I think they might spot us.
You have too much hair.
Yeah. Too much hair to buy a Cadillac.
Yeah, Andy's in the car. Andy and George and Eon. You know, honestly, if the carpool lane says I need 3 people to drive, and I only have 2, I consider the Eon to be intelligent life. So, if I ever get pulled over in the carpool lane for that, I'm promoting the future right here.
Nice. I got pulled over in the Prius once for not having my headlights on the night we first got it. And the guy, I had the Eon really mounted, like right in the middle. He's like, "You can't put that down."
You got off though, because you convinced him you're working on safety systems.
That's right.
In the end, driver assistance.
Oh shit! I needed to turn there.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Ceremony.
Yeah, that was it. We'll get off.
Okay.
We'll get off Hickey. Okay, bro. Wait, why didn't it tell me? I even put it in the nav system.
Full screen is shipping to DeVille tonight.
I put it in the nav system. I like that backup camera. I don't know why nobody uses it.
Oh yeah, the backup camera is really good. Some people are just really tied to their own. Rear view mirror.
See, look at all that stuff I can see.
Honda Nav sucks by Toyota. Honestly, we should really just be using Waze.
Yeah, we really should be using Waze.
You've got about 2,000 miles of HD maps uploaded. Nice. Keep giving us the data. All the data you provide, especially data with a gray panda, is fundamental to the future of comma.ai.
We have told them that, you need a gray panda now in order to be part of the HD maps. We can't make at least for now, we can't make a map precise enough. That's why we made the gray panda. so that we can get high enough precision GPS for. But yeah, no, we do appreciate all of your data.
Yeah.
We're like a telephone.
Still no lead car distance in UI.
That's not coming back.
We don't think it's coming back. If you want it, you can absolutely make that change. I've seen there's some forks that have already done that, but I don't think we're going to be upstreaming that.
What is important is for us to show you that it does detect a lead car, and that's what we have the red cross for.
Yeah, so we may change the UI with the red cross if it is at any point not clear, but
that was an MPC reset right there. A little janky.
All right, nice San Francisco view right here. Make the red cross bigger. Yes, perhaps maybe have a little bit of a glow to it.
Yeah, we can maybe glow a little.
Yeah. Hey, if it's on a red car, you know.
That's true. Yeah, I also heard people saying it looks too much like brake lights. It's kind of true. I think we can do better. Well, I really like that path being cut by the car thing. Oh man, that looks a Waymo-esque, you know?
Yeah.
It looks like we know things.
Bam, it's fast too.
Oh.
Well, it considers the car to be there for a little longer than it actually is there. That's pretty safe. Driving at night in Idaho, the red cross blends into brake lights. So
Yeah, that's...
yeah, certainly we'd like to have a distance independent indicator that works. So we'll certainly test any future UI change on brake lights at night and on red cars and make sure that it
How come it's tap? How come it's not swipe?
not implemented.
Swipe's not implemented.
We can implement it.
Yeah, like, I mean, that's the natural motion for me.
Yeah.
I would like that to work, if possible.
When are Great Panda tools coming? To see the position of the satellites. Likely, I want to say within 3 weeks, perhaps. You'll have the ability to view the satellites on your Eon and the Great Panda.
So we're also doing a big open source release around the Great Panda too. You know about Leica?
Huh?
Leica,
the camera company?
No. It's our. Okay, it's not announced yet.
Okay, all right. I probably know what it is. I just don't know what the code name is.
Yeah. Well, that's what we're gonna call it in PIP.
Leica.
Like the dead dog in space.
I saw Leica.
You saw Leica.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah, no, Great Panda people will be very happy. The Great Panda is really like, for its price, it's the most precise GPS you can buy.
It is. What about Schiffer on phone using Galileo versus Great Panda?
It doesn't matter which constellation you're using, right? It's on the phone. It doesn't matter if you're using like GLONASS, Galileo, or GPS. The problem has a lot more to do with the antenna and the update rate. So the update rate can be hacked. So we've done that on the Eon. So the Eon GPS is a bit better than a normal phone. But we can't do anything about the antenna. That's the main reason we ship Great Panda. All right, Stewart Cadillac. I've been to this GM dealership before.
Stewart Cadillac.
Was very pushy.
Git pull on a loop.
Who's Git pulling on a loop?
Oh, Vanilla Gorilla. That's how you stay updated, you know?
That's right. We'll be able to
you never know when the update's going to come out, so you should always be Git pulling.
To stay updated with our new convenient update. Okay, cool. Visitor parking. Here? They make you drive by these.
Are they going to notice we're not driving a
GM?
A GM?
Well,
we're allowed to park next to all these American cars.
I don't know, man. All right, Scopies. We got to go inside. We got to go be nice to people. You know me. I'm buying a Cadillac. I really might buy one of these. If I really like it,
we're going to test drive first, though.
We got to test drive first. That's right.
All right.
All right.
Cool. Thanks, Scopies.
Thanks, Scopies.
How do I turn this off?